those of you are new here, my name is Suri and I try to make makeup easy just for you. So in today's video, as you know already by the title, I'm going to reverse things. Every day, every weekend I come up with videos wherein I show you how to apply makeup, how to do eyeshadow tricks, blush, liner, everything. But in today's video, I'm going to get unready with you and let you know how to take care of your skin, just like I do. Also, disclaimer that all of these products that I'm showing you here works for my skin. So please, when you try skincare products or makeup or anything in general, please try it on your skin first and then see if there's any allergic reaction or something like that. If it's okay, then use it. Otherwise, please keep away from all of these products, if any. So without any further ado, let's get started. Bye. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, because आप जितना सब्सक्राइब करोगे उतना मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिलेगा कि मैं आपके लिए और ज़्यादा वीडियोस बनाऊँ. So please सब्सक्राइब एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स लोगों को, फैमिली को, सबको दिखा देना कि ये एक बंदी है सूरी करके और इसके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है. So let's get started. So the first step for getting unready from your makeup base is using a makeup remover, and for that I'm going to use Garnier Micellar Water. This is the oil infused cleansing water, and this is the biggest tub that there is. So I have been using this since 2 to 3 years and it works pretty great. Since I use like waterproof mascaras and all, I tend to use the yellow one, which is the oil infused one. You can use the normal hydrated micellar water as well. For removing makeup, first you need cotton pads, and I have this whole big packet of cotton pads from Miniso while I was there in Bangalore, and I took this whole packet of, I think there are 180 pieces of cotton, and I know this will work, like this will stay long and last you for a very long time. So I took this. Now while using the makeup remover, like the oil infused or any oil infused micellar water, you have to first shake the product and then use it. So after shaking the makeup remover, this whole micellar water turns yellow. So now I'm taking one cotton pad and taking this whole micellar water, at least this much, and I'm going to take another cotton pad right here and do the same thing. I'll let you know in a while that why am I using 2 cotton pads at once. So whenever you want to get rid of your mascara and eyeliner, which I don't want to today, but it's looking awesome. So what you have to do not मतलब खींचो मत एक ही बारी में. Take the cotton pad, place it on your eyes and wait for a while. Now when it's like 5 to 10 seconds, I'm going to gently rub the cotton pads on my eyelid, and be very gentle you guys, because the skin around your eyes is more fragile than the skin on your face, like other parts of your face. So be very gentle. Okay, can you see? All of the product came out instantly. Why did I wait for 5 to 10 seconds? Because the micellar water will then break down all of the product and it will come out on the cotton pad. That's why. Do not just take the micellar water and place it on your skin and just start dragging. It won't do good, because obviously the skin around your eyes are more fragile than all over your face. So again, taking the other part of the cotton pad, and I'm gently removing gently. So much of foundation is coming out, man. Today is the day when I was shooting my foundation hat using so much of foundation. It's coming off. Okay, so now both of this cotton pad looks like this. So much of foundation. since I have used too much of makeup, I'm going to again use another cotton pad and see if there's any more foundation left. I believe there's no foundation left. Okay, so I think that is all the micellar water can do. So now after cleaning my face with micellar water, it claims that you don't need to wash your face with any cleanser, but I like to do it. I like my face to be very clean, you guys, because makeup is no joke, skincare is no joke. So I go ahead with another step, and that is cleansing my face with a face wash. Okay, you guys, so I've come back after cleansing my face, and for that I use Face Shop Rice Water Foaming Cleanser Nutowa Mousson. I'm not kidding, it's written Nutowa Mousson. So I don't know how to pronounce that, but I think I'm going to go for it because it sounds funny. So yeah, now that I've cleansed my face with this, you can see like my face has cleared up and it's bright. So I don't know about the moisture, you guys, because I'm a dry skin type, and whenever I use this face wash I feel very dry afterwards. Not very dry, but dry. But what it also claims is it leaves skin looking clear and bright, which yeah, like I am in for. It does. It really leaves your skin clean and bright. So yeah, so after cleansing your face, you can scrub your face. But since I have a little, like I get a little flakes, I'm getting a little dry flakes here in my nose area. I tend to stay away from scrub because उसमें ज़्यादा और थोड़ा मतलब dry हो जाता है. So मैं अभी I'm not using any scrub right now. And also people use toner. I also used to use toner, the Biotic Cucumber toner, but अभी मैं उसको use नहीं करती हूँ. And I'm currently in search for a good toner, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you know some good toners and which you know is good for dry skin type. So after cleansing my face with a face wash, let's dive into my favorite step, and that is moisturizer. And for today I'm going to use Garnier Wrinkle Lip Moisturizer. This is a very good and very inexpensive moisturizer. This is built for dry skin type because it's very thick. Like as you can see it's very... Oh, I made an S. Well, it wasn't intentional, but yeah. So this is a very thick moisturizer and it works good for my skin. But right now my flakes aren't getting better. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is the moisturizer I use, and for last 1 to 2 months I have used another product and added it in my skincare routine. This is basically my nighttime skincare routine, but since I already had too much makeup and I didn't want to keep it on my face any longer, so I'm showing you my nighttime skincare routine actually. So this is the product that I have added to my nighttime skincare routine. This is Pure Vitamin E Oil by Deve Herbs. So I saw this in one of my beauty bloggers named Chitali Chadha. So she is very good with skincare and she tells you good quality products for skincare that you can use for skincare. And there I saw this vitamin E oil and I wanted to try. So I have been using this for last 1 to 2 months and I can see it is making a lot of difference to my skin. So as you can see, I had a pimple here, but the spot is going away and there's not many pimples that are coming, or pimples or bumps on my skin right now, which I am all for. I just got some 1 to 2 weeks back, I guess, when I was chumming. So everyone knows you get pimples when you chum. So yeah, so this is the spot. Like, it was a very dark spot before, but now it's currently fading out. So I believe this one works, and I have been using it religiously every night. So what I do is, if I want, I can use this. I use this vitamin oil as it is, or I mix it with my moisturizer. So what I do is, this has a dropper. So I take this much of oil, and I take 4 drops. I don't have any routine that I take only 3 or 4 drops or 2 drops. It's not like that. It depends on how I feel and how my skin feels on my face. So I mix both of this together. As you can see, it's already forming a good, like, it's already binding together. So yeah, now what I do is, I take it on my face, take whatever is left of my bond, and I start first spreading it on my face all together. Then I start massaging it in circular motion, upward circular motion. You shouldn't drag your cheek, like your skin downwards. No, you shouldn't do that. So what I do is, I massage the moisturizer on my face in upward circular motion. And whatever is left, I take it down on my neck. We always forget to, take care of our necks, neck, but we shouldn't. So yeah, always remember to, whatever that skincare that you're using, please take it on your neck as well. My skin is a Sahara desert, and whatever moisturizer that I put on, or whatever skincare that I put on, it just soaks it in just like that. As you can see, so much of oil and moisturizer I use, and it's already in my skin, and this gives a little bit of glow also, because you're using an oil. So this gives a little bit of glow as well, which I'm all for. I do not care, but I love if my skin glows. Everybody loves when the skin glows for all the right reasons. So yeah, so this is my skincare. And then do not forget your lips. So for lip balm, I use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I know this is a little bit pricey, but for the quantity and for the quality, quantity, okay, that's another factor, but the quality of this lip mask, oh my god, I've been using this for so long. I think I bought this during the Pink Friday sale on Nykaa, and there was this offer going on Laneige, and I bought this one. So as you can see, this is in the variant berry, and it has a very good berry scent, and I am almost over, but not really. 30 or 40% of the lip balm is still there, and I use it daily. Every night I use this religiously, and this is a game changer, you guys, because I have extremely dry lips. My lips have a tendency of chaffing, and when I started using this lip balm, it was a game changer for my lips. Oh my god. I take a generous amount and start massaging my lips. This actually helps, and whatever that is left, I take it wherever I'm getting a little bit of dry skin. I massage it there. If I will tell you that this is such a good lip mask, I will say it's very pricey. I know, I get that it is pricey, but it will last you very long. Very long. I have used this. I'll write it in the description or here when I have bought this one, and it's still there. And it's a really great product, you guys. If you have dry lips, look no further. please buy this one. This will be a game changer. Like, I have the driest lips, it chafes so much. Like, I get really tired of it because of chafing and dry lips. So yeah, this was a game changer for me, and if you want, you can use this product. Like, just try the mini version, and if you like it, then you can buy the big version. I'll be buying the big version afterwards as this gets over. So yeah, this was my chotu sa skincare routine, and if you like it, then please let me know in the comment sections below, and also let me know if there are any toners out there that I should try for dry skin. And please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I come online on YouTube. And please follow me on Instagram as well. I post makeup related content there as well, and videos as well. So please follow me, and अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिली को बताओ यार कि तुम्हारी एक फ्रेंड है यहाँ पे वीडियोस बना रही है, इंस्टाग्राम में खेल दिखा रही है, तो अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज उनको भी बोलो यार. तो yeah, I think the light will fade away. This is the golden hour, and I love my skin in the golden hour, my hair as well. So yeah, if you love my videos, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.